Welcome YouTubers to another edition of the Android Ice Cold project. Today I'm going to go over the Nightlies, how to go ahead and flash a new Nightly, and going over a few of the cool things that I found on this ROM that I thought was really nice that it came preloaded with. It was really awesome, and I just want to bring this to you today to see, for y'all to get a chance to kind of see the things that I thought was really nice that made my day easier and my life funner, I guess. So without further ado, I'm going to double tap to wake, which I really like. Excuse me here. What I went ahead is I downloaded the new Nightly. It'll be down in the links below. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and oh, you know what? Before I even do that, I'm just going to go over the things that I like about this before I go ahead and flash the new. If we go under settings here, what I found that I really enjoy is going down to ROM control. Alright, under ROM control, you hit this little, it's like some sort of pancake burger, whatever they want to call it, type thing that slides on out. Go over here to general. Alright, recents RAM bar. I really like that because when you go ahead and pull up your recent stuff down here, it shows you your RAM up top, which I really like. Alright, for that one I noticed was really awesome. Excuse me, let me go back into it. There you go. The next thing that I had up here was a status bar. In the status bar here, you can change like your notifications, show if you want to have a count of notifications, things like that. Your clock, you can change a little bit about the way your clock looks. Your battery here, how it looks, you know, you can have the percentage inside of it. You can have it on all different ways. It's pretty neat. And of course you can display your network traffic. Excuse me, I keep backing out. I meant to hit the little unicorn up here. And let's see here, also the toggles. Okay, I really like this because you can set up all the different toggles you want here as you whatever you'd like to have on here. And this screenshot down here is, or excuse me, screen record. It's really awesome. I'm gonna get back to that here in just a second. So hardware keys, yeah, we're good on that. Power menu, I like this because you can reboot. You got the option to show reboot, screenshot, airplane, immersive, and screen record. I love showing the screenshot because you never know when you like to take a screenshot to show somebody. Screen record is fantastic. You just record the things that you're doing, and once you're done, you just pull this down here and you hit stop, and then boom, you got it recorded on here. And I've done a simple little application the other day, kind of a funny one, but I put it on there so you can kind of get an idea what it looks like. And it's just super simple just to hit screen record and go. So let's go back here. We're going to go to the navigation bar. I've added you can hit the add button here and you can add all kinds of different things, you know, that you want, or swipe them away. They come down here into your navigation bar. I like putting XDA down here because it makes it easier for me just to click on it whenever I need something. You can also rearrange your buttons. You can move your back, or if you have like a Samsung Galaxy or something, usually your back button is over here on the right. If you're used to that, then you can just go ahead and move that stuff around. Really cool. So let me go back. Navigation ring, I kind of like that. You can probably just take away your whole navigation bar and just put this ring in here and choose how you want that. It's really nice. Sound, I usually take the safe headset volume off so it doesn't tell me I'm playing it too loud, because I usually do. Installer, and pretty simple, self-explanatory here. Ribbons and animations, I haven't really messed with much of these ribbons or animations here, to make things just slide around and have like different appearances. Pretty cool. So, well, I'm just going to go ahead and back out of that. And the other thing was the Aicp Extras. In here, I haven't messed with the Halo or Omni switch that much, but under display and animations, this is where you can enable your pointer, or enable a microphone. So when you hit screen record, you get to record your voice as well, and the pointer, so people can see where you're actually pointing on the screen to show where where things are at. So, and of course you got disable ads. You can clear all button position wherever you want it, like excuse me, like not that, but like the clear all position down here. It's pretty neat. So we got that navigation. All right, cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. It's what I like, and I mean, of course, it's really, really, really smooth. And before I get going, let me go ahead and go to battery and let you guys check this out. 1 day, 8 hours, 47 minutes. All right, 45% left. I mean, I just think that's phenomenal. That's really good stuff, and it's still very snappy and responsive. So let's go ahead and reboot into recovery. This is how I like to flash my Nightlies and stuff. It's just going back into recovery and just doing it. Some other ROMs out there allow you to just flash within the app, but I use MultiRom, and I'm not too sure I want to mess with that. So I like going back here and just getting a good, clean, fresh wipe that I know is working well. And for those who don't just do Nightlies that often, I've had pretty good success just flashing right on top of what I have, which is hopefully the point of it all. Excuse me. So let's see here. We want to go to advanced. Now, somebody the other day accidentally went to install and put all this stuff on there. Well, guess what? I mean, this is my stock. I'm going to mess it up, and then you're going to screw things up. If you don't do an Android, you'll be in deep trouble. So I'm going to go to advanced. I go to MultiRom. Okay, list ROMs. I have right here Android Ice Cold project right there. Now I go down to flash. All I'm going to do is flash my download, and here it is, 2004-02-25. Okay, that's today's date. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to flash it. There you go, and this will take just a minute, so I'll be right back when it's done flashing. Okay, we're back now. It's asking me to reboot system. Of course, all I'm doing is just flashing a Nightly to it. Awesome. Now, one of the Nightlies that I flashed before, I saw something about their boot animation, which was really awesome, and it was an interactive. Excuse me. Let's go. This is my MultiRom. I'll go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to go ahead and boot and check this out. It might take just a minute. It might optimize some apps or something like that. So if it takes a little bit, I'll just pause it and I'll come right back. So I really like this one. I kind of wasn't a big fan of flashing Nightlies a few months back, but I don't know, I got kind of hooked on it. I like looking at what they have, like some of the things, might crash on you, who knows, but some of the stuff is really cool. Now, if you could see this, he may start blinking, is what he did for me. Yeah, I like that. I don't know if you can see it too well. I'll try to zoom in a little bit on it. Yeah, I thought that was really awesome. There he goes, optimizing apps, 106. So I'm gonna come right back when that's done optimizing. Okay, well, it optimized app to 106 of 106. Now it's starting applications, finishing boot, and there we go. Check that out. Everything is exactly where I left it. Even down here, the little notification that I downloaded the Nightly. So just perfect. Everything works out great. All my apps are still there. Fantastic. Now what's going to be the true test is just finding out all the cool stuff that they may have added or tweaked, so to help things move much smoother. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video, and please, like always, like everyone else always says, like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.